Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you another new website where you can be making money online by using just your smartphone. Okay, so this website is actually cool and it's very easy to use. Okay, you don't have to waste a lot of time before you make money, so make sure you follow me through the steps I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so right here, if you're new on my channel, I would say you're welcome to this channel. Okay, so what I do on this channel is I teach digital skills. I teach you guys how to make money online using your smartphone. I test out websites and applications that you can use to make money online. I also help people build online business from scratch. Okay, so if this sounds like something you're interested in, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button right now. Hit on the subscribe button. Also hit on the notification bell, so whenever I drop new videos on this channel, you get notified by YouTube and you can just watch any video I drop and then implement whatever I teach. Okay, so let's go straight to business, guys. So right here on the website, you can see I have about $11 here. You can see I have about $11 right here. You can see, okay, watch balance. What I actually do on this website is I watch videos. I watch short videos on this website. Okay, so you can see watch balance right here is about $8. Okay, so there are two ways you can make money on this website, and I'm going to show you the both of them. Okay, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the second way you can the second way you can make money on this website, and that is actually the easiest and the fastest way to make money. Okay, so make sure you watch this video. Don't just click it off and go to the website. The website name is wintop.com. okay, so don't just go to the website directly yourself. You're going to miss a lot, and I'll be dropping the link of this website in the description of this video. So once you use that link to sign up, you're going to get a bonus for yourself. Okay, so make sure you follow the steps I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so right here on the website, before I show you how you can sign up, let me quickly show you how you can make money. So once you sign up on the website, you're going to just scroll down. Once you scroll down, this is what you're going to be doing. There are a lot some videos right here you're going to watch daily, and you're going to be making money for yourself. Okay, so right here, if you watch video 1, you're going to make up to 0.61 cents. Right here, if you watch this, you're going to make up to 0.32. right here you can see 0.47. right here you can see 0.52, and right here you can see 0.56. okay, so watching this video is just going to last for 30 or 34 seconds. okay, so once you just watch the video for those seconds, you're going to get the money paid directly to your bank account. okay, and I'm also going to show you how you can withdraw your money. okay, so just make sure you stick to this video right here. okay, so let's watch one of these video. I'm going to pause this right now. okay, so let's check the balance I have here. I have $11.56, and I'm going to watch just one video. So let's see if it's gonna add or not. okay, you can see right here the video is playing, so I'm just gonna pause this video right now and check it when it's done. Okay, right here you can see the video is showing complete. I've actually watched it for 34 seconds, and right here you can see it's showing complete. So what you want to do right now is to just click on this button showing complete, and I'm going to be directed to my dashboard, and after that you're just going to spend few seconds and the money is going to be added directly. okay, so let me restart this and see if it is added or not. okay, so right here you can see what we now have here is 12.17 cents. okay, previously it was 11.50 something, right now it's 12.17. okay, so basically that's it, what you're going to be doing on this website daily. okay, so once you watch video, you're gonna get paid for watching the video. okay, so what I want to show you right now is the second way you can make money on this website. okay, so before that, if this is sounding like something you're interested in, something you're beginning to find value in, so I will say you should hit on that like button. Hit the like button right now. Hit the like button and go on the comment section below. Comment, I want to make money online. okay, so just comment that, and I'm going to see your comment, and I will get encouraged to make more videos for you guys that can help you make legit money online. okay, so the second way you can actually earn on this website easily is by referring people. okay, and that is one of the coolest way. okay, so once you want to refer people, you just click on this three dash at the top corner, and you're going to get to this dashboard right here, and you can see on each person you refer to this platform, you get to earn $1. okay, so on each person you refer, you earn $1. so right here is the link you're going to copy. So let me show you Once you just copy this link right here, you can share it on your WhatsApp status, you can share it on Facebook groups, and you're going to see people signing up because it's a free website. So when you see people signing up, you're going to be getting $1 directly to your dashboard. Okay, so how to get more people to sign up for this website? What you have to just do is to go on your Facebook, search for groups that has to do with making money online, and once you just make a post about this website, right there in the group you will see people commenting, and when they comment, you just have to reply them with the link to your the link to this website, and once they use your link to sign up, you're going to get paid for it. Okay, so what I want to do right now is to show you how you can sign up on this website. Okay, so that is actually a very cool step. It's very simple to do. Okay, so I'll just log out from my account and I'll show you how you can sign up immediately. So once you use the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video, this is the website you're going to be directed to. Okay, so once you click that link, you're going to be directed to this website, and what you want to do is you just click on get started. You can see this option here showing get started. Once you just click on this, you're going to be taken to a page where you have to fill in some of your details, and then you sign up immediately. Okay, so right here you're just going to put your first name right here, you put your last name right here, you select your birth date, you select your gender, whether you're a male or a female, you select it right here, you put your email right here, and right here you choose a password. Okay, so once you're done with all that, you click on this I'm not a robot option. So once you click on that, you just scroll down. So once you scroll down, you see this option right here showing create account. So once you click on this create account, you're going to be directed to the platform immediately. Okay, so I'll just log in right now, so I'll show you how you can withdraw your earning on this platform. Okay, so I'll just click on login and I'm going to be directed to the platform. Okay, so right here is the platform. I don't want to make this video too long, so that is why I won't do more explanation on this. I don't want the video to be too long. Okay, so right here, if you want to withdraw your earning, you're just going to click on this bar right here. You can see this three dash at the top corner of this website here. So once you just click on this, it's going to pop up some options, and the options are right here. You can see withdraw. So once you click on this withdraw, it's going to show you options of their payment. Okay, so the options, you can select anyone you have. You can see right here they pay with PayPal. You can see right here they pay with PayPal. You see web money, you see Western Union, you see Payoneer. So you can actually select any of these payment gateways and then input your details. So whenever you want to withdraw, once you get to the threshold for withdrawal, you're just going to withdraw your money directly to your account. Okay, so in case you don't have a PayPal account, I already made a video on that, and you're going to see it in the description of this video. Okay, so just watch the video and you're going to learn how you can create a PayPal account for yourself that can send and receive money from any part of the world. Okay, so right here I think I'm done with this video, guys. So make sure you go and try out this. Okay, so go and try this out, try it out and start making money for yourself. Okay, so once again, if you are new on my channel, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, because I'll be dropping more content on this channel, so you don't want to miss them. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.